Our nature challenge this week is a treasure map. Now, you know pirates love treasure and there's plenty of stories in your local library or bookshop. Let's see if we can make our very own treasure map. It's really easy to do. You can make the paper look old and full of treasure if you use a tea bag and dab your page. It's a lovely sensory activity as well. Great fun. Well, perhaps you'd like to put a boat on your treasure map. I'm using a feather, which I've cleaned, and a piece of leaf, and it's landing on an island over here. And hidden behind this palm tree is some golden coins. I'm using some glue to hide my treasure. I hope the pirates don't find it. Enjoy making your treasure map and send a photo so that we can see where your treasure is hidden.